All auto repair shops are the same, right? No, of course not. Well, neither are marketing companies. And for us, it's so important for ourselves to know what makes us unique. Why are we different from our competitors? It's the same thing for you. And so we are an EOS shop. This is the Entrepreneurial Operating System. It's, if you ever read these books, Traction and stuff, it's a system for figuring out who you are, what makes you special, and how to keep things in order with your staff and just to grow. So one of those things is identifying your three uniques. We know what makes us unique as Shop Marketing Pros. Number one is customization. We don't do anything out of the box. We long ago figured out that our shops, our customers, are tired of generic, white bread, call it what you will, marketing that everything looks the same. And well, yes, another auto repair shop, let's just take that website out the box and just change the logo in the corner. Or give them the same social media posts as everybody else. Ads, yeah, they're all the same. They all do auto repair, right? Yeah, tell that to the diesel or performance shop or the European shop. No, it shouldn't all be the same. So we take the time to get to know the shops and customize it to reflect their shop, right? That's really important to our clients. It's really important to us to make work that we can be proud of. Number two of our unique, what makes us unique, is communication. We do not want to be a stranger to the people we work with. We want to keep them in the loop. We want to prove what we're doing is working by going over the numbers with them for better or for worse. We can't just show the good stuff and hide the bad stuff. Marketing's a journey, there's ups and downs, and we're constantly need to be working together as a partner. We're not a marketing vendor, we're a marketing partner. This is really important to our clients, again, that we're developing a relationship with them. So we want to take the time to communicate and to explain whatever they want to, and also be in the loop about what's happening in the shop so that we can then further customize the marketing. So those two things play really, really well together. Number three, our third unique, is that we have a team of pros. We're not just a single shop marketing pro, it's pros with an S. Everybody on our team really cares about what they do, and we've got all these different things that we do, from digital ads to website design to social media management to SEO. These are a lot of different parts of marketing. For one person to do it on their own, it would make their head explode and they wouldn't have the time to do it. So we developed a very, very smart team of people, every one of them, who care deeply about the shops, but also really know what they're doing. And they're constantly staying up to date. We have a saying in marketing that you go to sleep a genius and you wake up an idiot, or some version of that. Marketing changes very fast. If you want to know what's going on with Facebook or Google, good luck to you. It's going to be different tomorrow. So it's our job to consume that for our clients so that they don't have to worry about it, so they can have the confidence that we are paying attention to it. There's a lot more that we're very proud of, but those three together encompasses the majority of what makes us great as a company. We are high touch, we customize everything, and we have a team of pros. Those are our three uniques at Shop Marketing Pros.